2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.